Excuse me, is this seat taken?
Oh no, go ahead.
Thanks. It's always hard to find a seat in busy coffee shops.
Yeah, especially during weekends. It's like everyone decides to come at the same time.
Exactly. By the way, I'm Jake.
Nice to meet you, Jake. I'm Anna.
Nice to meet you too. Anna, what are you reading?
Oh, it's a novel. The Alchemist by Paulo Coelho. Have you read it?
Yeah, a few years ago. It's a great book, really inspiring.
It is. It's all about following your dreams and trusting the journey.
Exactly. That book actually made me think a lot about my own life and dreams.
Oh, really? What do you dream of doing?
Well, I've always wanted to travel the world. But, you know, life gets in the way work, responsibilities, and all that.
I get that. Traveling is a dream for many people, but only a few actually make it happen.
True. What about you? Do you love traveling?
Absolutely. I try to travel whenever I get the chance. I love exploring new places and experiencing different cultures.
That's amazing. What's the best place you've ever visited?
Tough question. But if I had to choose, I'd say Japan. The culture, the food, the people, everything was just incredible.
Japan is on my bucket list. I've heard it's a perfect blend of tradition and modernity.
Exactly. You should definitely go. Do you have a favorite travel destination?
I haven't traveled as much as I'd like to, but I loved Spain. The energy, the architecture, and the food just amazing.
Spain is beautiful. I was in Barcelona once, and I fell in love with the vibe of the city.
Yes, the people are so lively, and the street performances are incredible.
So, what do you do for a living?
I work in marketing, but honestly, I'm not sure if it's what I want to do forever.
That's understandable. Many people feel stuck in their jobs. Do you have any other passions?
Well, apart from traveling, I love photography. I wish I could turn it into something more than just a hobby.
Why not? If you love it, maybe you should start sharing your work online, build a portfolio, and see where it takes you.
That's actually a great idea. Have you ever changed careers or followed a passion?
Kind of. I used to work in finance, but I wasn't happy. Now, I'm in event planning, and I love it.
Wow, that's a big change. What made you take the leap?
I realized life is too short to do something that doesn't make you happy. So, I took the risk, and it worked out.
That's really inspiring. I wish I had the courage to do something like that.
You do. It's just about taking small steps. Start with photography on the side and see where it leads.
You're right. Maybe I should stop overthinking and just go for it.
Exactly. Sometimes the best things happen when you take a chance.
That's a great perspective. By the way, do you come here often?
Yeah, it's one of my favorite spots. It's quiet, and the coffee is great.
I can see why. Maybe I'll start coming here more often too.
You should. It's a great place to read, work, or just relax.
Sounds good. And hey, thanks for this conversation. I didn't expect to have such an interesting talk with a stranger today.
Same here. It's nice to talk to someone new and exchange ideas.
Definitely. Maybe we'll run into each other here again.
I hope so. Enjoy your coffee, Jake. You too, Anna. Have a great day. Wow, Mike, it's been forever. I can't believe we're finally catching up.
I know. Lisa, it feels like ages. Life just got so busy. How have you been?
Busy too, but good. Work, family, just the usual. But I really missed our conversations.
Same here. So tell me, what's new in your life?
Well, Work has been hectic. I got promoted a few months ago, so that's exciting, but also stressful.
That's amazing. Congrats. What's your new role?
Thanks. I'm now the marketing manager, which means more responsibilities, more meetings, and less free time.
Sounds like a big step up, but I know you're great at what you do?
I appreciate that, but enough about me. What about you? What have you been up to?
Well, I actually made a big decision. I quit my job last month.
What? Really? Why?
I wasn't happy. Lisa, I felt stuck. So, I decided to take a break and figure out what I really want to do.
Wow, that's a bold move, but honestly, I admire you for it. It takes courage to walk away from something stable.
Yeah, it wasn't easy, but I realized I don't want to spend my life doing something I don't enjoy.
That makes sense. So, what's the plan now?
I'm thinking of starting my own business, something related to travel, maybe a blog or a YouTube channel.
That's awesome. You always love traveling. This sounds like a perfect fit.
Exactly. I want to turn my passion into something meaningful. I don't know if it'll work, but I have to try.
You're right. Sometimes taking a risk is the best thing you can do.
That's what I keep telling myself. So, what about you? Any big dreams you're chasing?
Honestly, I've been thinking about moving to another city. I love it here, but I feel like I need a change.
That's huge. Where are you thinking of moving?
Maybe New York or Seattle. I want to experience something new, meet new people, and grow.
That sounds exciting, but also a little scary, right?
Yeah, definitely. But I feel like if I don't do it now, I never will.
That's exactly how I felt about quitting my job. Sometimes, you just have to take the leap.
True. Speaking of changes, how's your personal life? Seeing anyone special?
Ha ha, nope. Still single. What about you?
Same here. I've been so busy with work that I haven't really thought about relationships.
I get that. It's hard to balance everything.
Yeah, but honestly, I'm in no rush. I'd rather focus on myself for now.
That's a great mindset. The right person will come at the right time.
Exactly. So, when's your next big trip?
I'm planning to go to Italy next month. I want to visit Rome, Florence, and Venice.
That sounds amazing. Italy is on my bucket list.
You should come with me. It would be just like old times.
Haha, that's tempting. Maybe I will.
That would be awesome. Let's plan it out.
Let's do it. And let's promise not to lose touch again.
Definitely. More coffee first.
Always?